How to fix mobile data is slow on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and turn on flight mode, turn off, turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After turn on or turn off flight mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, you will check your internet connection. Again swipe down, turn on or turn off internet connection. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so restart device, click power button and volume up button at the time. Restart device. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix mobile data is slow on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.